The European Parliament elections, the elections for the President of the European Commission and the new College of Commissioners in 2014 will earmark an important year of European politics in general and for health policy in Europe in particular. In order to meet visions of a social and prosperous Europe, we need politicians and stakeholders who will champion smart, sustainable and inclusive policies while maintaining strong values such as universality, access to good quality care, equity and solidarity. However, there are concerns about an increased Eurosceptic presence in the new European Parliament and what that could entail for health. The European Health Forum Gastein will reflect on the opportunities and the risks for health in light of the outcome of this European elections, and we will discuss how to maintain and improve the health of European citizens.